Having trouble getting into your Relay account? Forgot your password and feel stuck? Don't panic. It happens to everyone, and luckily, resetting your Relay account password is a quick and straightforward process. In the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get you back into your account securely. Let's dive right in. The first step, as you might guess, is to head over to the Relay login page. If you're on a desktop, you'll go to the Relay website, or if you're on your phone, open the Relay mobile app. On the main login screen, look for the Forgot Password link. It's usually located just below the Sign In button. Give that a click or tap. Next, the system will prompt you to enter the email address associated with your Relay account. This is a crucial step. Make sure you type in the correct email, as this is where the reset link will be sent. Once you've entered it, hit the Reset or Send Reset Instructions button. Now, check your email inbox. You should have received an email from Relay with the subject line related to a password reset. If you don't see it immediately, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes these automated emails get filtered. Open that email, and you'll find a secure link to reset your password. Click on that link. For your security, Relay usually requires two-factor authentication, or 2FA, at this stage. After clicking the reset link, you'll be asked to confirm your identity using your registered 2FA method, which could be an SMS code sent to your phone or a code from an authenticator app. Enter the code to verify your identity. Finally, you'll be taken to a page where you can create and confirm your brand new password. Remember our tips for a strong password: use at least 12 characters, include a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using easily guessed information. Once you've entered and confirmed your new, strong password, you're all set. You can now use this new password to securely log back into your Relay account. If you encounter any issues, like not receiving the email after checking your spam folder, or if you no longer have access to your 2FA device, your best bet is to reach out to the official Relay support team directly for assistance. And that's the complete guide to resetting your Relay account password. Easy enough, right? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.